Improperly stripped thermostat wires can seriously mess with your heat and air conditioning system, causing all kinds of annoying electrical contact problems. Okay, so when you're dealing with thermostat wiring, the key thing is to strip the insulation just right. You want to expose enough copper wire so it can make a solid connection, but not so much that it's hanging out and risking a short circuit or getting damaged. Too little exposed wire means the system won't get the signal it needs, and your heat or AC won't turn on or off like it should. When you strip the wire, use a proper wire stripper tool and aim for about 1/4 inch of exposed copper. No more, no less. Twist the strands gently if it's stranded wire, so they don't fray and cause poor contact. Also, make sure the copper isn't nicked or scratched during stripping, because that can lead to weak connections or corrosion over time. When you connect the wire to the thermostat terminals, tighten the screws snugly, but don't overdo it, or you could crush the wire. Double check for any loose strands that might touch other terminals and cause shorting. If you ever need to redo the wiring, cut off the old stripped section and start fresh to avoid any flaky signals. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes is stripping too much insulation, which leads to exposed wires that can short out and damage your HVAC system. Fix this by trimming back to just the right length. Another common problem is not stripping enough insulation, which means the wire won't make good contact and your heat or AC may not turn on properly. Just remember about 1/4 inch of exposed copper is perfect. Lastly, people often forget to twist stranded wires after stripping, causing frayed ends that don't connect well. Twist those strands tight before attaching them to keep everything solid and reliable. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with heating and cooling systems. Plus, it gives contractors a great way to get work by connecting them with people who need reliable help fast.